Pretty good for an old girl.
It is.
Welcome back, guys, to SV Blown Away. You are joining us as we sail south in the Ionian Sea of Greece. Previously on SV Blown Away, we leave the beautiful anchorage of Ormos Skinos in Ithaca. And we share our stories with other YouTube creators. We are Natalie, Ian and Nelson, and we are living our dream. Join us each week as we share that dream with you.
We are currently on our way to Katakolo in the southern Ionian in Greece.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand.
If you're enjoying our videos, please give them a thumbs up and hit subscribe. It really helps us out. Don't forget to leave us a comment and please share this video with your friends.
10 knots of true wind, 5 and a bit knots of boat speed. It's pretty good for an old girl.
It is.
Well done, Natalie.
Thank you.
Last time we were here there was some military activity here. It is a training area. One other boat behind us in the distance that I suspect will catch us up.
Not if I've got anything to do with it.
The wind has slowly come around to the north since we left. So we've had like a 90-degree wind shift in the last 10 hours. But it has been a very pleasant sail.
Katakolo is a base for cruise ships visiting ancient Olympia. Katakolo has quite a safe harbour, but it does have limited facilities. It's great as an overnight stop whilst heading south. We are currently attempting to round the second most southerly point of mainland Europe. The distance between continental Europe and continental Africa is only 180 nautical miles and is well known as a wind acceleration zone. The wind tends to blow from the east or from the west, so yachts have to wait for a favourable weather window. This cape was known as the entrance to the underworld. Beep, beep.
I would put that in after, or else she'll be too far away for you to get off.
Our next port of call was Kyparitsia, 28 miles southeast of Katakolo.
You've only got little legs. I mean, if you put Bertha in the middle, we're going to be like a metre away from the dock. You're never going to make it. You know, you're not a long jumper, Nat. You're not a long jumper, you're not a high jumper, do you know what I mean? You're not even a woolly jumper. Darling, the only thing you did was low jump. You did low jump at school.
named storms sweeping across Europe, we take shelter in the harbour of Kyparitsia. With strong winds and big seas forecast for the following days, we prep the boat for the worst weather. The harbour of Kyparitsia fell into disrepair after the railway line to the town closed. However, during our stay, it became clear that they are working on refurbishments, and we hope this will regenerate the harbour and its surroundings.
I'm going to skim the cat and then come in, alright? Should make good footage, right? Some good content right there. We're just going to step off, right? No jumping.
Kyparitsia is also a breeding site for the endangered Mediterranean loggerhead turtle. And they are often seen swimming around the harbour. The town of Kyparitsia is a short distance away from the harbour, but the locals are all very friendly and very helpful. This local supermarket delivered our shopping and our gas bottle free of charge. The town itself offers a lot and has a thriving community. With the boat prepared prepared for the storm ahead. We use some of the remaining hours of daylight to entertain the dark.
In the morning. Why do these things always happen in the middle of the night? So the storm that we were expecting, the surge has got so bad, I'm having to run the engine in gear to pull ahead against one of our spring lines because the snatch loads on our bollards were just getting too much. Something was going to break. It's not even blowing that hard out here. It's maybe 20 knots during the night, but the motion's terrible.
With huge waves crashing on the beach outside, some of the swell made its way into the harbour, causing our lines to snap and fenders to flatten. Join us again next week as we escape Kibaritzia before we damage the boat and head south.
The workers and the shirts.
Thanks to our star patrons, Matthew Clark and Michael Barris. And if you would like to help support the making of these videos, please find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.